Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Today we will know about Lord Jagannath's daily rituals or daily routine. The daily rituals of Lord Jagannath performed in the temple only Puri are popularly known as Nitis, which signifies a particular religious rite. The religious rites are performed by the particular sevaks. For the performance of various rituals in the temple, only Puri Jagannath temple. On the other hand, everyday rituals of Sri Jagannath only Puri reflects the lifestyle of Lord Jagannath, which closely characterized human attributes. That is the rituals of bathing, brushing of teeth, dressing up, taking of food at certain intervals, and at night to take rest, etc. So, started the Lord Jagannath's daily routine or rituals. First one is Dwarapita. Dwarapita means opening of the entrance door of Garbhagriha of the temple. Presence of 5 servitors: Vitrusha Mahapatra, Muduli, Pratyahari, Mekapa, and Palya Mekap. And next one is Mangalarti. After Dwarapita, Mangalarti offering of scarlet lamps to deities. 3 types of Mangalarti. First one is Karpula Arti, second one is Ekvisvati Arti, and third one is Pistak Arti. And next Mailam. After offering of scarlet lamp, Mangal Arti. Mailam means change of dress used by God in night. And next Tadap Lagi. After removal of night dress, the deities wear another set of dress called Tadap and Uttariyas for taking bath in the morning. And next Abakasha. Abakasha means brushing of teeth and bathing of deities. 3 Pushpalaks perform this bathing niti on 3 brass mirror kept in front of deities. Sprinkle water mixed with karpur, curd, amla and sandalwood paste. Before this niti, they also perform both brushing and scraping tongue. And next Veshamailam. In this niti, the deities change their clothes, Tadap and Uttariyam, and wear another set of clean dress. And next Sahanamela. Sahanamela is local term which means public are allowed to have a close and free darshan of deities in Garbhagriha near the Ratnavedi. And next Veshavallagi. Veshavallagi means change of dress after Sahanamela. And next Rosohoma. Rosohoma means oblation to the fire in the kitchen of Lord. Generally, Rosohoma and Veshavallagi nitis are performed at one time. And next Surya Puja. Surya Puja means worship to sun god which is performed near Mukti Mandap inside the Puri temple. And next Dwarapala. Dwarapala Puja. Dwarapala Puja means worship to the gatekeepers of Lord Jagannath, Jai and Vijay. This puja performed near Nathamanda. And next Gopala Vallabh. Gopala Vallabh means breakfast niti of Lord. Gopala Vallabh consists of khai, kora, khua ladu, pachila kadali means rice banana. After the puja offered pana means bitter. And next Sakala Dhupa means offering of bhoga to deities. It commonly known as Kotha Bhoga. During this time deities dressed Sakala Dhupa Vesha. And next Mailam. After Sakala Dhupa, the deities change their dresses which is known as Mailam. After this niti, Bhogamandap niti starts. And next Bhogamandap. And next Madhyana Dhupa. Madhyana Dhupa is performed in the same manner as in Sakala Dhupa. After Sakala Dhupa and Madhyana Dhupa, Arti is offered to deities and a certain portion of food is reoffered to Mother Vimala. And next Madhyana Pohuda. During these rituals, Jai and Vijay Dwara and Viharana Dwara remain closed means midday rest for midday rest. And next Sandhya Arti means evening lamp offering. If there is Madhyana Pohuda, after opening of doors, the deities change their dresses. If there is no Madhyana Pohuda during any occasion, then after Madhyana Dhupa and change of dress during this ritual, deities dressed Sandhya Dhupa Desha. And next Sandhya Dhupa means evening meal. This puja is performed by puja pandas in same manner as in Sakala and Madhyana Dhupa. And next Moilam and Chandan Lagi. If there is no Sahanamela, deities change of dress called Mailam, and after Mailam, Chandan Lagi niti means sandalwood paste mixed of agur, karpur, kasturi is applied on the body of deities. And next, Badashingar Vesha. After Chandan Lagi, the deities are dressed up again, which is known as Badashingar Vesha. It is the last Vesha Niti of deities. And next, Badashingar Dhupa. After Vesha, Badashingar Dhupa starts at about 11 pm at night. The items of food offered to deities are Pakhala, Kanji, and Kadali Bhaja. And next is Khatta Seja Lage or Pohada. This is the last niti of the day and the time is around 12 midnight provided nitis are performed in time. The arranged bed and bed sheets of the deities are taken to Garbhagriha. Then the Saint Thakur is brought from the Bhandaragriha and at Jai Vijay Dwara a niti is performed in which a green coconut is offered to deities along with pan, means betel. There after Alti is offered, the Saint Thakur is then taken to Ratnavedi. During this niti, Badachata Matha performed Gita Govind, Kirtan and Bhajan. After the deities retire to bed, lamps are made of and the Kalhatta Dwara, one type of gate Kalhatta Dwara and Jai Vijay Dwara or Jai Vijay gate and Beharana Dwara, one type of Beharana Dwara by Beharana gate are sealed by Talaucha Mahapatra. Jai Jagannath.